And I would request Shri N. Annamalai to please FPTA President Shri Mehul Mehta on the dais. Leading our FPTA President Shri Mehul Mehta on the dais. Next I would request Shri P. Shri Raman, Vice President of MPMA, to kindly lead our guest of honor, Shri Prakash Garg. Next I would request a nominee, Shri P. Rajesh Jain, to lead our guest of honor, Shri Saifi Jani. Give it up for all the dignitaries joining us on the dais. Commissioner to be escorted by Shri A. Natesan, past President FPTA. Shri Ved Krishna sir. Request Shri Shekhar Chandik, past President FPTA, to lead our chief. President Shri Mehul Mehta and guest of honor Shri Prakash. I would also request Mr. Banerjee for lighting of the ceremonial lamp. Ladies and gentlemen, a symbol of
Hello. Yeah. Respected Shri Sandeep Ji Saxena Ji, Shri Mehul Ji Mehta Ji, Shri Ved Krishna Ji, Shri Saifi Jani Ji, Shri Prakash Ji Garg, Shri A.M. Banerjee, dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, dear friends, ladies and gentlemen. A very happy afternoon, good afternoon, a very warm welcome to all of you. Suswagatam, Abhinandan, Vanakkam, 64th AGM and conference of FPTA hosted by MPMA to be held over the next 2 days in this beautiful city of Namma Chennai. What a beautiful afternoon, the hall full looks sab zami pe yahi pe hai. The great Illuminati. Chennai is a very dynamic blend of ancient South Indian traditions and modern progressive city of India and software hub of India. We love Chennai. Sandeep Ji Saxena, IAS Chairman and Managing Director of TNPL. He was very gracious enough to accept our invitation and be our chief guest. We welcome you, sir. Thank you very much for accepting our invitation. We welcome Shri Mehul Ji Mehta, President FPTA, a fighter of two spirits and a great leader who has led FPTA. Welcome Mehul Ji Mehta. We welcome our guest of honor, trade, our par excellence. Thank you Prakash Ji. We welcome Shri A.M. Banerjee Ji, Chief General Manager from Indian Overseas Bank. Indian Overseas Bank has always in South India, headquartered in Chennai. Welcome you, sir. Common challenges. With so many major changes happening in recent times, like US tariff, minimum import price on Virgin Packaging Board, major changes in GST from 22nd September, then expected BIS formalities and anti-dumping duty, I believe we will have a lot of things to discuss. And
the 10th time here. And with all your support, we are sure about MPMA activities. It's been a part of my blood now. So, our activities are primarily based on our core values set by our senior members here. First, I would like to say about the educational front, what we focus on. 17 times, we have hosted a short-term program in association with SAI Paper and Boards, which is a pan-India event held at Erode. Here, the agenda is very clear that the process about paper making and the sustainable processes involved in paper making are taught to the next generation. Two new fronts in the last course we saw. There was more than 50% of women participation, and the average age group was between 30 and 40. So we could see a lot of younger generation getting involved in our industry, which is great pride to us. Secondly, every year we focus on at least 5 to 6 seminars or webinars to educate our members with the ongoing issues on several aspects. This year, in association with the FPTA, we have had 2 webinars with the senior GST consultant, Mr. Renukan. We had 1 GST seminar with Mr. Ramalinga Raju, Chartered Accountant. We have had an AI program on how the tools are to be used and what are the ways which we can benefit out of usage of AI. Not only empowering our co-traders, but also the staff members and the cartmen who are all those involved in our industry. So a medical and social fund has been developed, and for the past 10 years, we have been giving to at least 15 to 20 needy people within our trade fraternity. We have organized an eye camp, a blood sugar camp, and we are in talks with Apollo hospitals for their ambulance services at a 30% discount. And at last, the cultural aspect of MPMA. We believe all religions are same, and I think across India, across various associations, we are one association who celebrate Diwali, Ramzan and Christmas with the same Josh, with same equality.
PTA has made a lasting impact throughout the 15 as the Honorary Secretary of PTA Mumbai from 2003 to 5. We remain grateful for his invaluable. Huge round of applause. Let's put our hands together and welcome forward Shri Mehul Mehta.
இங்கே வைக்கிறேன் கொஞ்சம் மனசாட்சி அங்கே வச்சுக்கிற ஃப்ரேம் நான் இங்கே வைக்கிறேன் வச்சுக்கிறேன் மனசாட்சி எல்லாமே
உன்னதான் சொல்கிறாங்க.
Good evening, respected members on the dais. Our chief guest Shri Sandeep Saxena, IS, Chairman and Managing Director, Tamil Nadu Newsprint and Papers Limited. Our guest of honor Shri Ved Krishna, Group Head, Pakka Limited. Our guest of honor Shri Saifi Jani, Chairman, Jani Sales Private Limited. I think so. I know him in the past 35 years. Prakash Garg, Chairman, NPT Group of Companies, and our another guest of honor, Shri Banerjee, CGM, Indian Overseas Bank. Welcome you all to this event. My seniors, ladies, gentlemen, and my dear friends. Today I speak with a full heart of gratitude. This is not just the final speech of my president term. It is a moment of reflection, appreciation, and most importantly, vision. I am deeply honored to stand before this vibrant gathering from all corners of India. From senior trade legends and energetic newcomers, your presence here proves that the Indian paper industry is not just surviving but thriving with strength and unity. Association who have always been the guiding force along with this young and energetic team for trusting me and nominating me to this post. I also thank our host association MPMH passion and patience. You have not only welcomed us to the beautiful city but made every delegate feel at home. A special thank you to office bearers, volunteers and support teams working quietly behind the scenes. Your efforts are noticed, valued and applauded. Little highlight on the role of paper in human life. From books to bags, packaging to invitation, menus to art, paper is still everywhere, just in new forms. Like recently, Finland has adopted print media against electronic media for education. the demand for eco-friendly, sustainable, biodegradable paper is only going to rise. So the opportunity is not reducing, it is simply shifting. The manpower, cost advantage, experience in quality and supply.
Your thoughtful insights. So we would request you to stay back forward. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank Shri Sandeep Saxena sir for doing the honors. Thank you, sir. And now honor Shri Ved Krishna sir to kindly join us forward to do the next set of honors for our NPMA past president, R. Ravi Chandran. Our NPMA request Shri R. Muthu Krishnan to kindly join us for the foundation that's been led by the leaders of the past.